today's episode of Tisha's the Contractor, where again we're fixing a problem that Mike McCormick, the bullshit contractor, did some janky ass business, and now my garbage disposal ain't working. So we gotta figure it out. My handy dandy electrician is here. Ja, see, look. You already know that's my guy. That's my guy, you know? That's the Toronto for you. So what had happened was there's power going to the switch, correct? There's power going to the switch, but there's nothing coming to this bad boy. Nothing. No power. Maybe there is. The garbage disposal is bashed. I'm so glad we got that on camera. Okay, we tested this. I need you to know that we had already tested this. That's crazy. Say hi. Kalani the contractor. Go. Say hi. Go. Okay. All right. New plan.
Mommy?
New style.
Mommy.
So we need a new garbage disposal. Can you? What time does Home Depot close? There you have it, guys. This tells me that there's power going into this, which means the problem is this. The garbage disposal is not working. So this is now going to turn into changing the garbage disposal. So now we're doing plumbing and electricity. And amazing. That's just fucking fantabulastic. Also, there should be it says 3-year warranty on this. This is my 2nd year. I got this also in 2021.
You should probably...
My Botox won't let me right now. That's hilarious. Okay. Incinerator. 3-year warranty. So the verdict is I need to check. But yo, who has time for that shit? Bruh, I bought this from Home Depot. I will buy a new one and put this right back in the fucking box and send this right back to the store. You know what? I'm not even posting this because I don't want Home Depot to know what I'm doing. Home Depot, I'm getting a new one and you're getting this all broke up. Okay? Because I don't know why you guys sold this to me. What'd you do? You know, my electrician's knocking out my electricity.
Me too.
You're spitting on my camera, dude. All right, so that's all for now, folks. We'll be back. Everything is content. Everything is content. Oh, yeah. Okay, wait. So we went all the way to Home Depot. We went all the way to Home Depot and got a new one of these, okay? Flipped it over and see that there's a reset button. Now, I am pretty motherfucking sure I didn't know there was a reset button. So now we're going to go and take a look and see. Watch out, Kalani.
Yo, is this reset button?
If this, make sure it's off. Watch out. If it's the reset button, yo, the garbage disposal hasn't been working for 4 months. The both of us, you flipped the new one, and I'm telling you, both of our eyes locked on the reset button. You're like, did you press reset?
It popped out.
The garbage disposal needed to be reset. Yo, I am sick right now. I can. Yo, first of all, you are the official electrician, okay?
Hey.
So when you came in here and you did
I am not no plumber. I told you, I don't know shit about plumbing, Jack. On this episode of Tisha is a Contractor, today we learned to press the reset button. Oh my.
I did not, I am sick about this. And that one also was in. So as soon as I looked under here, I seen it was on. I was like, oh shit. That is so funny.